live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it.
Our target is to convert one unit of land to another unit of land. We'll start with a measure of land. Which system of measurement does millimeter, liter, and kilogram belong? So when we speak of measurement, it is divided into two. We have what we call the English system and the metric system. In the English system, we are using yard, feet, then we have ounce, we have pounds. For the metric system, we are using gram, kilogram, liter, centimeter, milliliter. So, for this particular question, which system of measurement does millimeter, liter, and kilogram belong? The answer is metric system. Which of these measuring device will you use to measure a ball? Is it a caliper, a meter stick, a ruler, or a tape measure? So the answer, class, is a ruler. Next, which is the most sensible unit for long distances? Is it centimeter, kilometer, meter, millimeter? Let's say we want to go to Manila. Is it only meter or millimeter or centimeter? The correct answer is kilometer. Next, we have the next. What is the basic unit of length in the metric system of measurement? Is it kilogram, kilometer, liter, or meter? So the basic unit of length in the metric system is meter. Next, we have a flagpole is 7 blank high. Is it centimeter, kilometer, meter, or millimeter? So it is a meter. Next, we have the measure of length. We have what we call kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So for the abbreviation kilometer, we can use km. For hectometer, we have hm. Decameter, we have DAM. In other book, they are using DKM for decameter. For meter, we have M. For decimeter, we have DM. Centimeter, we have CM. And millimeter, we have MM. Now, in this particular given, we know for the fact that 1 kilometer equals 10 hectometer. And 1 kilometer is 100 decameter. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. 1 kilometer is 10,000 decimeter. 1 kilometer is 100,000 centimeter. And 1 kilometer is 1 million millimeter. So it is a multiple of 10. So from kilometer to hectometer, that is 10. From kilometer to decameter, that is 100. That is 10 times 10. From kilometer to meter, we have 1,000. From kilometer to decimeter, we have 10,000, followed by 100,000, and followed by 1 million. Now we are going to convert 125 kilometer to hectometer. So in converting 125 kilometer to hectometer, we have this one. So kilometer to hectometer is one movement to the right. So it means that we are going to multiply the given by 10. So multiplying it by 10, so we have this one, We just move the decimal point one place to the right. So 125 is written as 125.0. So we move it to the right. The answer will become 1,250 hectometer. Next, we have 125 kilometer. But we are going to change this kilometer to decameter. We look at the movement from kilometer to decameter. How many movements are there? We have one. We have two. So since we have two, 1 is equivalent to 10, and 2 is equivalent to 10 times 10. That is 100. So 10 times 10 is 100. So the movement is 2. In 125, the decimal point is in 5, after 5. So 125, the movement is 2. So we just multiply it by 100. So we have 1. We have the second one. So the answer will become 12,500 decameter. We can proceed with the measure of length. We have from kilometer to meter. Look at the movement. We have the first one, that is 10. Another one, that is already 100. Another one, that is already 1,000. From kilometer to meter, we have two movements to the right. So since we have three movements to the right, from 125, we have 1, 2, 3. So we just multiply it actually by 10 times 10 times 10 is equivalent to 1,000. So we multiply it by 1,000. Or we just move the decimal point 3 places to the right. So it will become 125,000. Now we have kilometer, but we are going to change kilometer to decimeter. Look at the movement from kilometer to decimeter. We have 1, 2, we have 3, we have 4. That is 10 times 10 times 10. How many tens are there? 4 tens. So 10 times 10 is 100, times 10 is 1,000, times 10 is 10,000. Or we have the movement of 3 movement to the right. That is 4 movement to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we are going to write the answer. So we have actually 4 zeros. So the answer will become 1,250,000 decimeter. We have this question. We need to change meter to decameter. So look at the movement from meter to decameter. Is it going to the right or going to the left? From meter to decameter, the movement is to the left. So we look at the decimal point. The decimal point is between 5 and 4. And the movement is to the left of the decimal point. That is 1. So now we have the movement to the left. Therefore, the answer is 57 and 54 hundredths decameter. We have the next number. We have from meter to kilometer. Meter to kilometer. How many movements to the left? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3. We have 3 movements to the left. Actually, that is 1,000. When the movement is to the left, we are dividing it by multiples of 10. So that since that is 3 movement to the left, we are going to divide it by 1,000. Therefore, or we just move the decimal point 3 places to the left. So the answer will become 5,754 10,000 kilometers. So we will answer this one later on. Thank you for watching.